This group was created on 25th March 2020. It was formed to fight for COVID-19. First of all, we got suggestion from Professor Madam Sheila Ramdini from Lalpan that they are worried for this PPE kit. Government cannot cover all Mizoram because of the lack of supply. So this voluntary group was formed and created by Lalpan Parmoy of Upper Republic. Many volunteers were stepping out and this group was running. For this group, so many designers, tailors, doctors, nurses, and many more from different districts who never knew before were working together. From 27th March 2020, these volunteered Bethel Lel Parmoye, B. Lel Ramrati of Maubok, Lel Chakimi Armving South, Lel Shadpuyi ITI, and Jenny Lel Dusaki Hunter were leaving their family and staying at Jetty Fashion House to arrange and supply these PPE kit and face masks. Therefore, we had so many volunteers from every local area to stitch and to deliver. To fight for this COVID-19, we don't have any money to run this group. So many volunteers were donating money. To keep that money, Dr. Ruby from Nasik, Maharashtra, who was very important for this group, is lending her account, so we are very thankful to her. As well, many people who donated their money and spent their precious time prayed for us. We are also very thankful to you all. God bless you. All these things we are doing, working with the society and helping those in need, is because of our heavenly God. We try our best to fight back this COVID-19 in the way we can. We are working for our country, for our state, for the nation, for our people, and for the world. Stay home and stay safe.